In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate sections in WordPress 2025 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your blog, adding content to your business site, or simply organizing your ideas more effectively, WordPress makes it easy to create distinct sections in your web page. So let's get started. First things first, navigate to wordpress.com. This is your starting point for all things WordPress. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look for the login option. Click that and you'll be directed to sign into your WordPress account. For those who prefer the convenience of integrating their accounts, you can click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies the process by allowing you to sign in using your existing Google credentials. Once you click on this, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Choose the one linked to your WordPress site. After successfully logging in, focus your attention on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a section titled Quick Links. Under these quick links, look for and click on Edit Site. This action will take you directly to the dashboard where you can start making changes to your website. Now that you're in the site editor, it's time to add a new block, which is the power behind WordPress's user-friendly format. On the top left of your screen, you'll see an Add button. Clicking this will open up a menu full of options for different types of blocks you can include in your page, each designed to add specific elements to your content. In the search bar of the block menu, type in Separator. The separator block is specifically designed to visually break up different sections of your web content without creating a brand new page. Once you see the separator option appear in the list, go ahead and click on it. By adding a separator, you're inserting a clear dividing line that can help your content look more organized and professional. It's a subtle yet powerful way to guide your readers' eyes and keep similar topics grouped together while separating distinct ideas. Using separators effectively can greatly enhance the readability of your website, ensuring that your visitors can easily follow along with your content. Thanks to the intuitive design of WordPress 2025, adding these elements is seamless and quick, giving you more time to focus on crafting the message you want to impart to your audience. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to organize your web page content using WordPress 2025. By following these steps, you'll have cleaner, more navigable pages that enhance the user experience and ensure the most important parts of your message don't get lost. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial and happy editing.